Now the old train bridge is going down. Guess they got a choo-choo coming.
Mm.
I don't know, this old bridge that's got the train track next to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be a train coming because they're letting it bridge down.
You go put my other shorts on. These ones don't match my toes.
I bet that thing is heavy as fuck, man. Be holding up that whole train track in there like that.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go change my shorts.
What'd you
These
do?
don't match my toes.
They don't match your toes.
Yeah, they don't match my toes. These are like pink and black. My toes are purple. They don't match.
Still coming down. Talking about counterweight for real. That's counterweight. Huh.
Well, damn. I said, well, damn. Well, damn it, damn.